Hi, and welcome. Today we're going to be doing some EFT tapping on the belief or the fear that says, I'm afraid to shine. So if that phrase rings true for you, then this is a good one to clear. EFT tapping helps you to clear negative beliefs, emotions, thoughts, physical stuff, pretty much anything. Okay, so we're going to do that. But first, I want you to check in with yourself and see if how much that rings true. So on a scale from 0 to 10 or on a scale from 0 to 100%, ask yourself, how strongly do you feel that that statement is true for you? Okay, and we're going to be doing 4 rounds of EFT. We'll be doing 3 rounds of the negative statement, I'm afraid to shine. And then we do 1 round of the positive affirmations, positive statements that we want to reprogram our energy field with. Okay? So I'm afraid to shine can mean that you hold yourself back from being the best that you can be, from being ultra successful, from being all that you know that you can be at your highest potential. So being afraid to shine, it's like being afraid to stick out or to draw any attention to yourself or to be really successful. Okay, or to put yourself out there and be at your best. Okay, so let's clear that thought or belief or emotion so that you can shine and be at your best and fulfill your greatest potential in life. Okay, so let's do that. Let's start. I hope you have a number from 0 to 10 or 0 to 100%, because with each round, I want you to check in and see if it's getting better and better with each round that you do. And if there's still some energy on that, then what you want to do is you want to keep doing more rounds of this until it's at 0. And it doesn't have to be on the same day. You can come back on a different day and do another set of 4 rounds again. So you just keep doing these until it's down to 0, because you don't want any of these beliefs in your energy field. You want to be completely free of them. Okay, so what we do is we use both hands because it's more powerful to do it on both sides. And we do alternating tapping because it helps to activate the left and right hemispheres. So it helps with hemispheric lateralization. It lateralizes the left and right side. And so we just combine all of those things. And let's get started with round 1. Okay, karate chop. Even though I feel afraid to shine, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. You repeat after me, and it's okay to change the words, make it your own, and say whatever feels right to you, or you can just repeat what I say. Even though I feel afraid to shine, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. Okay, top of the head. I'm afraid to shine. Inside the eyebrow. I'm afraid to let myself shine. Side of the eye. It feels like I can't be successful. Under the eye. I have to hold back. Take lots of deep breaths throughout this. It helps to move the energy around. Under the nose. I'm afraid to shine. Chin. I'm afraid to shine. Collarbone. I'm afraid to shine. Under the arm, I'm afraid to shine. Liver spot, I'm afraid to shine. And if you can't access the liver spot, it's okay to just do another one under the arm. Wrist, I'm afraid to shine. Thumb, I'm afraid to shine. Index finger, I'm afraid to shine. Middle finger, I'm afraid to shine. Ring finger, I'm afraid to shine. Pinky, I'm afraid to shine. Good job. Take a deep breath or two and check inside and measure to see where you're at on a scale from 0 to 10 or 0 to 100%. Where does that feel like it's ringing true for you? How strong is it still? Is that coming down? Is that getting better? Or is it still quite high? We're going to do round 2 now. And again, we have 4 rounds of this to do. 3 rounds on the negative statement and 1 round on positive statements to reprogram your energy field strongly towards the positive. Okay? All right, so karate chop. Even though I still have a fear of shining, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Good. Top of the head. I'm afraid to shine. Inside of the eyebrow. I'm afraid to shine. Side of the eye. I'm afraid to shine. Under the eye. I'm afraid to shine. Under the nose. I'm afraid to shine. Chin. I'm afraid to shine. Collarbone. I'm afraid to shine. Under the arm. I'm afraid to shine. Liver spot. I'm afraid to shine. Wrist. I'm afraid to shine. Thumb. I'm afraid to shine. Index finger. I'm afraid to shine. Middle finger. I'm afraid to shine. Ring finger. I'm afraid to shine. Pinky finger. I'm afraid to shine. Good. Very good. Take a deep breath or two and check inside. See how it feels. What's the number now? Does it feel better? Take another deep breath. And let's go for round 3. Top of the head. I'm afraid to shine. Inside of the eyebrow. I'm afraid to shine. Side of the eye. I'm afraid to shine. Under the eye. I'm afraid to shine. Chin. I'm afraid. Oops, sorry. I mean under the nose. I'm afraid to shine. Chin. I'm afraid to shine. Collarbone. I'm afraid to shine. Under the arm, I'm afraid to shine. Liver spot, I'm afraid to shine. Wrist, I'm afraid to shine. Thumb, I'm afraid to shine. Index finger, I'm afraid to shine. Middle finger, I'm afraid to shine. Ring finger, I'm afraid to shine. Pinky finger, I'm afraid to shine. Very good. That was round 3. Take a deep breath or two and check in with yourself and see, is that getting better? Give it a number on a scale of 0 to 10 or 0 to 100%. How are you doing? Okay, very good. Now we're going to do round 4, and these are the positive statements that we want to reprogram. And you can change my words if you want and make it your own, and you can say things in a different way. However feels right for you is okay. All right, so let's get started with round 4. Top of the head, I was afraid to shine. Inside of the eyebrow, but that was old programming. Side of the eye, now I realize that was just old cellular memories and subconscious programming. Under the eye, I now accept my new programming that says I can live to my ultimate potential. Under the nose, I can shine. Chin, I am free to shine. Collarbone, I feel good about shining and being successful. Under the arm, I love my new programming that says I love shining and achieving my ultimate highest success possible. Liver spot, I'm eager to discover my highest potential. Wrist, I am free to shine. Thumb, I am free to shine. Index finger, I love shining and being successful. Middle finger, I can see myself being highly successful and loving it. Oops. Okay, ring finger. No, it's right. Okay. Ring finger, I love being my fullest potential. Pinky finger, I am safe and free to shine. Okay, good job. Take a couple of good deep breaths. Good job. You did great. Okay, so check inside and give it a number. Measure how you're at right now with that statement. I'm afraid to shine. How true does that feel for you now? from a scale to 0 to 1, 0 to 10, or 0 to 100, how true does that feel for you now? If it's 0, then great, you're done. You conquered that limiting belief. You cleared it. That's awesome. I can't wait to see how that shows up for you in life, because that's big. If you still have some energy there, then do it again and keep doing it and till it goes down to a 0. But you don't have to do it all on one day, because sometimes people have a lot of layers. Sometimes these things can have a lot of layers and it takes a while to clear it, and that's okay. They're just layers. You can clear it. Not a big deal. Just keep doing the process and you'll clear more and more layers of this energy, these beliefs and feelings and emotions. Okay? So get that down to 0 and get your life up to 100%. All right. Thank you for doing EFT with me, and bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.